I'm gonna demonstrate how to use the coffee machine. Begin by opening the lid, removing the water tank, filling it with water, which I've already done, pushing it down where it says push, closing the lid, switching from off to on. The light will turn red, and once it's ready, the ready light will turn green. Put coffee in the spoon, flip it into here, and press it down hard to flatten it. For the demo, I'm making 1 cup of coffee, so I'm using the smaller cup. If you'd like, you could use a larger cup to make 2 cups of coffee, and then you would put 2 spoons down before flattening. Place it and turn it hard to the right until it's lined up. Put the cup down and switch it to on position.